Hiya, welcome to our channel. It's now, what time is it then? 2:15. Yeah. It's 2:15 and it's Saturday and we decided to go camping, but we haven't got any, we've got a tent, and that's about it. I don't think we've got anything else. So we're going to some shops and try and get some bits for us and see if we can pull this, what you say? See if we can pull this through, will we? Yeah, so we'll take along if we manage to go there. The place is booked already. I'll tell you the details a little bit later, but yeah, follow us and see where it takes us. That's the right door doors, and we got, because we don't have beds, so we got these high gear deluxe double beds, double, 2 of them, and then got that one, so we can have a fire and roast some marshmallows. We also ended up buying 2 chairs for kids. We got a flower one, we got the red one, and then we got these strong pegs as well. And everything came to £67. Right, all packed up fully. Ready?
Yes.
Set?
Go.
Go!
Yeah. But it might be the same day like this.
Yeah. Will you be able to do that? Right?
I hope it will fit in there.
Right. That's it.
Okay, look at that, guys. For me?
We've got these 2 double, like I said, so we will see how these will do, because I don't like airbeds usually, because they get flat by the time you wake up. Where are you going? Not supposed to be going in there. I can see a shadow in there. Can you help me open it?
Yeah. I'm a good one.
You're strong, aren't you?
Yeah, just look.
Oh wow.
Are you ready, set?
Oh wow. Good job, I've got you here, isn't it? Can we try to pull it out now?
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah. Where are those muscles from us? Eh?
I
A little bag, look. Doesn't have a bag. But how does this work? Built-in foot pump. Okay, the foot pump and remove the white rubber plug. Oh, you're taking it in. Alright then.
Yeah.
I'll open the other one. How do you blow up these beds?
How do you blow them up?
Yeah. So that. We'll just blow them up first. Yeah, we'll blow one first and then we'll get the other one in. Daddy comes here.
Oh my, could you do it?
It's impossible to blow. But I think I chose the wrong job. It's more like a hand pump than
Pick the right day for this.
than a foot pump. The beds are set up, aren't they? We managed. Kitties, us, or just everywhere.
We got our bed, guys.
Is that cool?
Guys, I could bed.
You don't mind the storm outside, do you?
No,
You do not care.
it's even warmer. Dad, go. What?
Thank you. Right, and this is the situation.
Oh my clothes.
Working? Right.
I'm sticking.
Set up in here a little bit as well. Got some chairs. There's some outdoor bits, and obviously we not have any tables or anything, so this is a bit of a food bit. Some clothes, and I'll show you how it looks outside. I'm sure it's worth it. Oscar? Oh yeah.
Go get me.
Oh, got ya.
So this is what
Daddy's coming. Yes, I showed already. What sort of animal is there then? Have you seen it? There's some sheep. And then I think there's llamas or alpacas. Yeah. Up to camera to film it. What happened? The hammer had come off. I put in gazebo up. Not sure if it's a good idea, but we've got to cook somewhere, and it seems like I just want to sit outside and enjoy this beautiful weather. You know, you can't complain. It was so hot a couple of days ago, so we'll take this from like. If equipment survives, of course. Oh, there you go. We'll get some fire in a minute. To set up a gazebo as well, because we're just so cooking. You can tell we're amateurs, can't you? Look, party size instant barbecue. Just buy everything really, but it's all for the memories, isn't it? Eh? Good memories, right? That's how you make them. I think so anyway. Look at that. So for dinner, yeah, Yeah. For dinner we've got some sausages, peri chicken wings, simple chicken, and then I also, Thomas wants coconut pasta, so we've got coconut, some cucumbers alongside. Can't have food without vegetables on it. And I've got some pasta. So yeah, we'll see how this goes. Wish us luck. Right, so here we are cooking. We've got some pasta going over there. Got some sausages, which I probably should turn. Oh yeah. I should do that with one hand. Right, let me turn those first. There you go, that's a bit better. Got a char on those. Lovely. Let's have a look what the family's doing. Oh, there's one. Oh, just the usual. They've got cones out. They've got in my pocket. So, oh, to be honest, it is a little bit better. Wind died down a little bit, although it's still pretty dark, but it's not as windy, so that's a bonus. I'm not playing. We're hiding. Well, so let me show you around where we are. So on the way to the toilets, there are a few goats. Just don't bite, okay? Okay. We got Martha and Patsy in here.
Martha and Patsy.
Yeah, and in there I think there was a button. No, it says do not feed. Okay, Oscar, it says do not feed. Oh, they're cute. Got lots of grass there. And this one is Buttons and Tilly.
Buttons and Tilly.
Yeah.
Hi, Button and Tilly.
And then there are some toilets over there. Oh, there's some drinking water. There are some toilets. Come, let's show around first. Yeah. And then there is a pot washing station over there, so you can wash the pots. Whilst there's no one there. Hold on. Pretty good, right? That is really good. Got a fair, well, the liquids and stuff as well. Brilliant.
We see
And then
shower there.
are these shower? Yeah, there you go. You can have a shower.
Right now.
Not right now. I haven't got towels right now.
Yes, Mummy, you know what I think it's...
Oh, Oscar, someone's in there, darling. They've got a red bit on that. What else? And then male toilets. And then there's ladies' toilets over there as well. Oh, so there's a couple of toilets then. And then, what else in there? There's some bins. The wooden hut. Yeah, really, really nice. Yeah? Yeah, we don't need to go there, do we? It is a mirror. It's for dancing. I don't think it's for dancing. What is this? Ice block freezer only. Ice pack freezing only. No. Ice pack. And so we are at 5 Acres Farm Campsite. That is in Matlock. Here you go. We've got some sausages, pasta. Maybe just eat it pasta for some reason. Daddy's having pasta, sausages, and I'll have cucumber. I don't know. I think the darker one is peri peri and the lighter one is lemon and herb. What are you eating now?
Marshmallows.
We're toasting them on there, sort of. With a fork.
They're really
We're just lifting it up. You're good. Who's having a good time? Yeah. Dad's having a good time. To Dad, that's it. Well, skipped me there. That's okay. Yep, skip me again. Oh, okay, the rules. Are you okay? Yeah, you slipped over. But it was the second time you slipped over, wasn't it? First time was funny, so I started laughing, but second time wasn't funny, wasn't it? I'm sorry for laughing. Will you forgive me?
But why was you laughing when I peed it there? No.
I didn't know you were hurt. First time you did it, you weren't hurt. You got up laughing. Right? Sorry, baby.
It's raining, it's raining, it's
What are you
raining.
gonna do now? Are you gonna go have a shower?
But Mum, could I go first?
Yeah, because you're really hurt. You can go first, yeah? Yes, and then you come back and then we can play Uno.
Right, I'm going to take some
Yeah?
good wash pots to wash.
Right, so just taking our charcoal bin to the charcoal barbecue season, and we don't go camping often, as you may tell. But I'm really surprised as to how many people are here. This campsite is not full, but it's not far off. And the weather is shocking. So, I mean, wow. We didn't even come whenever it was like nice weather. So, I mean, people are very keen. So, it is really nice to see actually that the weather is not really an issue for anybody if they want to come and spend a weekend together and just enjoying nature. So yeah, surprised but pleasantly. Well, I'm taking my friend to the special bin. Things we don't normally do at 9:30. Yeah, that's lovely. It's a good memory, wasn't it?
Few moments later.
So we're gonna try and make a mini fire, aren't we? Because we're frozen a little bit. Can't see anything. That's it. Oh, at least I can see now. Right, with some Uno. A play of Uno, aren't we? So yeah, obviously we'll get a light going.
Me in a tent, we got our beds.
Yeah. Right. Good night.
Good job.
I know, I showed it. It's not what's wrong with this way. Good night.